it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. I would like to share with you some information about a cereal that I really enjoy eating. I've always liked shredded wheat, and this brand called Cranberry has its own spoon-sized shredded wheat. And wanted to share it with you because it has a lot of really good things in it. And it's made from onyx sorghum. I hope I'm saying that right. S-O-R-G-H-U-M. Sorghum is a gluten-free grain. And this sorghum, this particular sorghum, is grown in West Texas. And the darker it gets, the healthier it gets. I just want to read you a little tiny thing about it. All natural new sorghum grain developed by Texas A&M University, based on ancient black and high tannin sorghum varieties that together in one plant contain more powerful combinations of antioxidants that combat a whole spectrum of free radical threats to our bodies. And there's a lot of information on here, and I'm not going to read it all to you, but it's low in fat. There's only 1 gram of fat. Ev, I thought I had it right here. I was just going to turn around and... There's 1 gram of fat to a full cup of this cereal. Here's what it looks like. See? And it's Cranberry. The other thing I like about it, I can't see it because I have to tear up the box, but on the inside are there is a whole panel, this whole panel right here. On the other side, it's just filled with coupons if you like doing coupons. And you can get 35 cents off your next box. But I guess you can see that I like it. So I'm just going to pour out, this is a whole cup, and it goes. And it's a lot because these cereal will swell up. The other thing I'll tell you about it is, I did say that it was 1 gram of fat. It's 180 calories, and it's got a whole spectrum of vitamins in it, from A to zinc and copper. Here are the ingredients. Whole grain wheat, whole grain onyx sorghum, tocophenols, I think I'm saying that right, tocophenols, it's vitamin E, is added for freshness. That's all that's in here. There's no sugar, there's no nothing else. It's just plain old shredded wheat. So when I do it, because it's so plain, I add all of these things to it, and I'll tell you what they are. These can go in here in any order, but since I set them up this way, that's the way I'm going to put them in. 1 whole tablespoon of ground flaxseed. Still see some clung to the side, so get it all. This is a tablespoon of cranberries. Now, cranberries, when they're dried, are pretty fat. And so what I did is I cut them up into smaller pieces, but it's just a tablespoon. And I did a tablespoon of raisins, the brown raisins. Now, if you have the golden raisins and you want to put that in, you could do that as well. Or you want to put in any other kind of dried fruit or fruit that you would like, but this is what I do. And the last is a tablespoon of cracked, they're just whole pieces of black walnut, but I take and crack it up into smaller pieces, a tablespoon. Put those in. And once all of that is in, I put in a full cup of my homemade almond milk. Now with this one, I did add a little bit of rice milk. I usually don't eat it right away because what happens is as you eat it, or as it sits in the milk, this shredded wheat is going to expand and it's going to fill up and suck up a lot of the milk. So I'm just going to stir it a little bit, and then I'll test it because I know it's good. Okay? You do have to get used to eating without a whole lot of sugar. Now, if this is not sweet enough, you've always got your date paste. You could use date sugar, whatever dry sweetener you have, but this is really, really good just like this. And the longer you let it sit, or the slower you are with eating it, because eating the shredded wheat takes some time to chew and makes it more enjoyable. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to tell you about this grainberry shredded wheat cereal. It's very, very good. I will leave the website below so that you can go there and read more about it. Until next time, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave any comments below, and click on the bell so that you can get the notification whenever we upload a new video. And also, don't forget to subscribe. You people that are looking at me and you won't subscribe, I want you to subscribe. Do you hear me? Okay, so I'm done now. Okay, bye for now.